Everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty. So we are at Dollar Tree. Let's see if we can find anything new that we haven't seen in previous videos. Pretty much have already gone through this section. Let me see if I can squeeze by here. These are new. They have a really nice sized sunflower. So cute. Adds a little something different. I mean, we normally see these. I've gotten these in the past. It's kind of fun to have the sunflower on the front, right? The detail's pretty good too. All right, guys, I took one of each of these new items. I brought them back here so that we could actually look at them without it being super noisy because the front is busy right now. So they have the 2-pack notebooks. So super cute. Best day ever. Very, very cool. Greenbrier products. Magnetic list pad. The little taco. Let's talk about your priorities. They have these large magnets. This is 3 magnets. Oh, the other one's on the back. Okay. We have these little journals with the cactus. So super cute. Undated planner, excuse me. The future is bright. That's a nice little pocketbook planner, right? And it's not dated. That's perfect. And then planner stickers. You get 175. What? 175? How's that possible? Oh, you get all of these? No way. It didn't look that thick. That's pretty cool. This is a cute little set. This would be really cute in an Easter basket. Little Valentine's Day gift. Teacher gifts for end of the year. I always like to put stuff aside. Just keep it in a gift closet when I find stuff. Awesome. These are also new. Pretty blue flowers. And nice heavy glass too. Very pretty. They have new stickers, over 150 stickers. Puffy, glitter, foil, and glossy. 4-sheet sticker book. Let's see if I can pull this one up and show you the next one. And then, oh, and they have them marked. Glitter stickers, foil stickers, and glossy. That's cool. Sorry guys, it's hard to... Here we go. And then last but not least. And then this one is different. So let's see. Let me pull this over here. Might make it a little easier. They're really cute. I mean, you get the idea. I don't want to do like 3 minutes on stickers, but you get the idea. It's just been a minute since we had new stickers, so I wanted to show you. I've never had this at the store. Coating mix for pork, crispy oven style. So like basically a generic shake and bake. But this has never been here. I wonder how it is. I think I'm going to grab one and check it out. I love shake and bake. Anybody else? All right, let me keep looking, see if I can find anything else. This is new, beans and rice. I mean, they've always had, you know, kidney beans, pinto beans, pork and beans, but beans and rice, this store has never had. Pretty good. By the Finest Company. Packed in the USA. Minnesota. Another new item for this store in the food is a White House raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with mother, guys. This is a really good deal. It is 16 fluid ounces with the mother. That's great. I mean, apple cider vinegar is pretty easy to find, and so is with the mother, but it's usually pretty expensive. They have some more here. They always have the large vinegar, but this is a pretty good find. Oh, here's another new find for this store. Mediterranean medley olives. It is 4.2 ounces. They've always had these olives. And maybe I just never saw these, but these seem to be new. I don't remember seeing them. Look at how much garlic you get for $1. Holy cow. It is 6.7 ounces. I don't remember seeing these either. I've seen the chopped up, here it is. I've seen this, minced garlic. But the whole cloves? Huh. That's new for me. These are a new placemat. I love the color. Home is where the heart is. Isn't that pretty? I have never seen this either. Mackerel in brine. I mean, the brand, yes. The brand's in Dollar Tree all the time. 15 ounces. I don't know if I'd be so brave to try that. But if you have, let us know. And I have a friend who tells me I need to try these little hot dog things. That they're really good. But I'm really afraid. She said start with name brand first, though. Potted meats. Made with chicken and pork added. Guys, I was hoping to come in, like see all the new baskets and stuff, but not yet. I'm gonna have to go to the big Dollar Tree. Oh, what's this? Sweet and fiery fruit gushers, 6 pouches. Those are definitely new. Here's another new one. Sweet and fiery fruit by the foot, 6 rolls. Huh. I'm sweet and fiery. That should be my motto. Sweet and fiery. They literally just put these out. I saw her take them out of the box. Look at how pretty the unicorns are. They have glitter. I don't know if it's going to show on camera. See the glitter? They're really, really pretty. And I'm not even a unicorn person, but these are really pretty. These would be a great little gift for Valentine's Day. Oh, so cute. We've seen these before quite a few times, but these we've never seen. And they aren't gel, they are hard lollipop. Very cute. Also put out, you know how they have these lollipop bouquets? This one's a little bit different. It's blue raspberry and cotton candy. I feel like you get quite a bit in this little bundle. Very cute. And then they put these little novelty. That's cute. That's really cute. And they have the llama lollipops. They have a little brave and peace sign. Seen those, and we've seen these already. Also, if you haven't seen my video, these are really, really cute as well. I actually follow the guy who designs these on Instagram. He actually saw the picture and followed me on Instagram. If you guys are over there, come on over. It's just Bargain Beauty Amy over on Instagram. But he actually designs these. How cool is that? I think that's really cool. These are new for this store. Jot brand, of course, 7 count. Very pretty. And then they have, this one's really, really nice. I love the little typewriter. I love you always. I just want to thank you for being my reason to look forward to the next day. Grow old along with me. The best is to be. Very fun. And then they have this one is gorgeous too. Look at this. Hope you guys can see with the glare. Don't lose hope. You never know what tomorrow may bring. Pain is real, but so is hope. You are stronger than you think. I feel like we had stickers like this before. This one's different. Hold on. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. Believe in yourself. Believe. Look how pretty. And it's 3-dimensional, guys, or at least 2D. They're really nice. Oh, there's one more. Somebody put this in the wrong spot, but there's one more of those. Seems to be more of the other ones, so those must be selling quicker. All right, let me put these back. Okay, everybody, I think that's going to be it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already seen my last couple of Dollar Tree videos, I will link a couple at the end of this video. I did go over the St. Patrick's Day stuff and the Valentine's Day stuff in previous videos. So I'll come back in a couple of days. We'll see what else they have that's new. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.